Hello, hi, this is Madhu from NeoOverseas Educational Consultants. Those who are looking to work in UK, if they are coming on a student visa to United Kingdom to complete their bachelor's or master's in United Kingdom, and they are allowed to do part-time job, which is like 20 hours per week. So there is a very good idea for you guys to learn the mobile phone repairs and services, laptop repairs. So this, if you have this kind of skills, there is a chance of getting good jobs in mobile shops in United Kingdom. So if you are in need of any job in United Kingdom, I will be able to help you out. But I please make sure that you learn these skills like repairing the mobile, changing the screens, and you have to take some training how to repair the mobiles and how to repair the laptops. So there is a good demand in United Kingdom for these job positions. And also apart from that, and if you are graduated and if you have very good communication skills, I would advise you to learn some IT courses like DevOps, AWS, Java, microservices, latest IT technologies. So that's this latest skills. This is going to help you out of getting a good jobs in United Kingdom. So for more information, you can get in touch with me. My India number, which is 98490 35551. Once again, it's 98490 35551. I am based in UK, so you can get in touch with me in my UK office also. Thank you. Bye.